Namaste students, welcome back to our maths class. Today we are going to see the new topic called decimal numbers. In the last chapter we have seen about fractions. Today we are going to see about decimal numbers. What is the decimal numbers, children? See the parts of decimal number. A decimal number has two parts separated by a decimal point. See here one decimal point is there. In the right side of the decimal point is called the decimal part. Left side of the decimal point is called the whole number part. So a decimal number has two parts. Right side part is called the decimal part. Left side part is called the whole number part. The decimal point divides these two parts. Are you understand, ma? A decimal number has two parts. One is the whole number part. Another one is the decimal part. Here, now we are going to see, check what you know. What is this tenth, ma? Yes, tenth is, we can say 1 by 10 is as tenth. The position, the place value chart, we are having ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. These numbers are all in the whole number part. That is in the left side of the decimal point. In the right side of the decimal point, you are having this tenth, hundred, thousands like that. You have already learned in grade 4 children about this tenth. See, this tenth as we say as 1 by 10 in fraction, 0.1 is a decimal. And it is read as this 1 by 10 can be read as 1/10. This 0.1 can be read as 0.1. If படிக்கும்போது நம்ம 0.1 சொல்லக்கூடாது, 0.1. For example, இங்க picture கொடுத்திருக்காங்க பாருங்கம்மா. உங்களுக்கு டிவைட் பண்ணி காமிச்சிருக்காங்க. 10 boxes இருக்கு. இந்த 10 boxesல 7 box தான் உங்களுக்கு ஷேட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. சோ இத நம்ம எப்படி ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணுவோம்னா fractionல 7 by 10. It is also written as decimal as here you are going to write the 7 by 10 is written as a decimal as 0.7 and it can be read as 0.7. The same way 1 4 by 10. Here see children, this whole number fully are shaded. Hence this whole number 1 is given. This 4 by 10 is given for the next picture. 4 columns are shaded here. No. In the 10 columns 4 only is shaded. Therefore it is given as 4 by 10. Hence this 4 by 10 is written as a decimal as 1.4. This is a mixed number and it can be read as 1.4. Next we are going to see about hundredth place. Now we have seen 10th place. Next we are going to see about 100th place. See the same 10 columns are again divided into 10 rows. Each column is divided into 10 rows. So that is given as when each tenth is further divided into 10 equal parts. Each part is called a hundredth. This part fully is called the hundredth part. Hence the hundredth is written as 1 by 100. Fraction la சொல்லும்போது நம்ம 1 by 100 னு சொல்லுவோம். அத நம்ம ரீட் பண்ணும்போது 1/100th அப்படினு சொல்லணும். அதே டெசிமல்ல சொல்லும்போது 0.01 as a decimal and read as 0.01. Therefore 1/10 is equal to 10/100. We can say like this children, 1/10 is equal to 10/100. Next we are going to see about thousandth. Here each hundredth is further divided into 10 equal parts. நம்ம ஏற்கனவே பார்த்தோமா, இந்த இது பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த இது காலம். சோ இந்த மாதிரி இருக்குது தான் வந்து நம்ம டிவைட் பண்ணிருக்கோம் அப்படினு சொல்றோம். சோ இந்த ஒரு 100 நம்ம இந்த ஒரு காலம் ஃபுல்லா டிவைட் பண்ணோமா, இது ஃபுல்லா திருப்பி நம்ம டிவைட் பண்ணும்போது 10 10 ஆ டிவைட் பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு 1000th place அப்படினு போகுதுன்னு சொல்றாங்க. Therefore 1000 is written as 1 by 1000 as a fraction and it may be read as 1000th. 0.001 as a decimal and it can be read as 0.001. Therefore 100 நம்ம எப்படி சொல்லலாம்னா 10,000th அப்படினு சொல்லலாம். Is it clear ma? What is 10th, 100, 1000th? See, fill in the place value chart. This is a place value chart we have already known. For the whole numbers, how will be the place value chart? Let's see here 19764. We are having. See what we say about this is the ones place. This is the tens place. This is hundreds. Like that we will say. This is 1000 and this is 10,000. Like that we will say. What about this decimal? In this point, this is called the decimal point, and the values of right side of decimal point is called as 10, 100, thousands. See, for example, they have given 0.01. How will you write this? In ones place, the value is 0. Hence, we put 0. Decimal point, we have put point. Then the 10th place, no number is there. 0 is there. Hence, we have written 0. In the 100th place, 1 is there. Then for 0.04, how will you write? 0. 10th place again 0 is there. 100th place 4 is there. Next 2.05. Here ones place 2. 10th place 0 and the 100th place is 5. Next 12.56. 10th place 1. Ones place 2. Decimal point. 10th place is 5 and the 100th place is 6. Is it clear, children? The place value children, are you all clear about this? Next. Now, write this shaded part as a decimal. In the kuduthirukka indha shaded part nama decimal ah eludunoma. See here, full all the 10 boxes are filled. Hence, we can write this as 1. The whole number 1 we can write here. Then point this here. How many parts are shaded here? Only 2 parts are shaded. That is, in the 10 boxes, only 2 boxes are shaded. Hence, we can write this as 2. In the 10th place, we can write simply 2. It is enough. Therefore, the given shaded part, we are having 1.2. Here, see children, the total part is divided into 100 parts. Hence, ellame shade aayirukuma full cover pannitaanga. Hence, we can put this as 1. Here, inge parunga 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts la shade pannirukanga. 100 la 5 parts la shade pannirukanga. Appo nam idu eludumbodhu 0.05 appdi eludrom. That is 1. Idukku enna meaning na 100 parts la 5 parts la shade pannirkom appdin solluvom. Namakku inge 2 0 irukkum denominator la 2 0 irukumbodhu we have to put the decimal point before 2 numbers. Hence we are writing like this 1.05. Write the place value of the digit in red. They ask us to write the place value, children. See, what is the place value for this? This 6. That is decimal point ku apparama irukka place nam enna solvoma 10th. Adukaprom 100th. Decimal place ku adutha 6. So we can write this as 6/10th. Here for 1 how we can write, children? 1/10th. Point ku பக்கத்துல இருக்க place 10th place. அதுக்கு அடுத்ததுல இருக்குது 100th place. See இங்க என்னமா இருக்கு? Decimal point க்கு left sideல இருக்கு. அப்ப இது வந்து 4 tens, ones, tens, hundreds னு போணும் அந்த பக்கம். இந்த பக்கம் வந்து 10th, 100th அப்படினு நம்ம மென்ஷன் பண்ணி சொல்லணும். இப்ப இங்க பாருங்க இந்த 7க்கு நம்ம என்ன எழுத போறோம்? 7 hundreds because decimal point க்கு அப்புறம் second placeல அது இருக்கு. Decimal point, next 10th place, next is the 100th place. Hence this is the 700ths. Next one, write as decimal. Fraction la kuduthirukanga. In the fraction nama decimal ah eludha porom. See children, in the denominator 2 zeros are there. Therefore we are going to put the decimal point before 2 numbers in the numerator. See, you can write this as 0.32 because denominator la 2 0 irukradnaala numerator la irukka and 2 number ku munnadi nama point vechittu idha answer 0.32 nu eludrom. Adhe pole inga parunga 6/10 nu irukku. See children, denominator la only 1 0 is there. So we are going to put the decimal point before one number. So it is 0.6. The next, see here 5 is the whole number. So we can put the 5 as this point. What about this decimal fraction point? 4/100 is the denominator, 2 zeros are there. Hence we have to put the decimal point before 2 numbers. Therefore it becomes 5.04. நமக்கு 4 மட்டும் தான் இருக்கு. முன்னாடி என்ன நம்பர் இல்லன்றதால we can put 0 and then we are putting the decimal point. Therefore it is 5.04. Here also the whole number part is 4. Hence we can put that 4 as it is. Then see denominator 3 zeros are there. Hence we have to put the decimal point before 3 numbers. here. So 4.123. Now you understand now how we are putting this decimal point and zeros all that? The next one, write as fraction. First of all, you have converted the fraction number into decimal. Now we are going to convert the decimal into fractions. See, only one decimal, before one number decimal point is there. Hence we can write this number as 5/10. See, decimal point ku apra ore or number da marka adna nam key denominator la you can put only 10 it is enough. Next 0.55 irukuma idukku nam eppadi eluduvom 55. We have to write the number as it is. Then the decimal point is before two numbers, yeah, before two numbers. Therefore we have to put two zeros in the denominator. The same way here 1583 enna number kuduthirukangalo adu appadiye eludinoma 1583. Here denominator la how many numbers, ethana number ku munnadi namakku decimal point irukuma, only two numbers. Hence we are putting only two zeros in the denominator. Here the same way 10.095. Here we are going to write the numbers as this 10095 divided by how many numbers before the decimal point is there? 1, 2, 3. Before three numbers. Hence we are going to write three zeros in the denominator. This 1000 in the denominator. Next, for this 8806 divided by what will come here? 100 or 1000? 1000 because before three numbers decimal point is there. Hence we have to put three zeros in the denominator as 1000. Is it clear, ma? How we are going to convert the decimal number into fractions? Now we are going to write the expanded form as a decimal. கொடுத்திருக்க expanded form நம்ம decimal number எப்படி மாத்தி எழுத போறோம் அப்படினு பாருங்கப்பா. See, this is 4/10 இருக்கு. We know how you have to write this fraction into decimal number. So 0.03 னு எழுதுவோம். ஏனா 2 zeros இருக்கு. So now we have to put the decimal point before two numbers. Here also three zeros are there, but only one number is there. Hence I put the number and two zeros before that. Shall I write like this, children? Is it right? Now we are going to add these numbers. How will you add this? 0.4. We are going to put the numbers one below the other and we are going to add the numbers. Point க்கு அப்புறம் என்ன நம்பர் இருக்கோ அதுதான் கரெக்ட்டா எடுத்து போடணும். இங்க பாயிண்ட் க்கு அப்புறம் 0 இருக்கு. சோ 0 அதுக்கு அப்புறமா 3. இங்க பாயிண்ட் க்கு அப்புறம் 0 அதுக்கு அப்புறம் மறுபடியும் ஒரு 0. Next only 9 is there. Now we are going to add these numbers. See, 9. இப்போ இங்க எதுமே நம்பர் இல்ல நம்ம என்னமா போட்டுறலாம்? 0. 0வை டெசிமல் நம்பரோட இந்த பாயிண்ட்க்கு அப்புறமா லாஸ்ட் நம்ம 0 ஆட் பண்ணும்போது வேல்யூஸ் சேஞ்ச் ஆகாது. அதனால நீங்க எதுவும் கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆக வேண்டாம். நீங்க 0 போட்டுறலாம். ஏன்னா எதுமே இல்லாம இருக்கும்போது என்ன போடுவோம் அப்படி நீங்க யோசிக்காதீங்க. 0 போட்டுருங்க. So 0 + 0 + 9 9. 0 + 3 + 0 3. Next 4 + 0 + 0 4. Therefore, the value of this expanded form is 0.439. Is it clear, ma? The next one, here, 8 will come as this 0.1. அப்படியே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இப்போ இங்க எல்லாமே டெசிமல்லே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Now we are going to add these numbers. See, 0.1. நமக்கு 1's placeல 0 தான் இருக்கு. So 0.1 இருக்கு. Next இந்த நம்பர் பாருங்க 0.008. For this 0.009. நான் இங்க சொன்ன மாதிரியே தான் நமக்கு நம்பர்ஸ் எதுவும் இல்லனா நம்ம பாயிண்ட் வச்சிட்டு 0 போடலாம். ஏனா டெசிமல் பாயிண்ட் அப்புறமா இருக்கிற zeros-க்கு no values. Hence we can put zeros here. Here 9 8 1.8. Therefore the value of this one is, the addition of this is 8.189. நம்ம டெசிமல் க்கு அப்புறம் சொல்லும்போது நம்பரை 8.189 னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. 8.189 தனித்தனியா தான் நம்ம சொல்லணுமா இந்த நம்பர்ஸ் டெசிமல் பாயிண்ட்க்கு அப்புறம் இருக்க நம்பர் சொல்லும்போது 8.189. Next, write the fraction and decimal expanded forms. Here, we are going to convert this number into fraction part. This whole number part we will write as this as 5. இந்த 089 இருக்குல்லமா, இதை நம்ம எழுதும்போது 89 by 1000. ஏன்னா இங்க வந்து நமக்கு decimal point 3 numbers before decimal point is there. Hence we are putting 3 zeros in the denominator. The same way when you are converting into decimal form, see here you can write this as 5 ones plus 0 tenths. 10th placeல பாத்தீங்கன்னா நமக்கு 0 தான் இருக்கு. Next 100th placeல 8 hundredths. Next 1000th placeல 9000. Here this 5 ones will write as it is. The 0 tens can be written as 0 by 10. 8 hundredths போது 8 by 100 plus 9000 போது 9 by 1000. Write this as 5 0 plus 0.08 here 0.009. Is it clear, ma? For fractional part we have written as 518 by 1000. For decimal expanded form 5 plus 0 here. In the 08 ku 0.088 by 100 எழுதிருக்கோம் இல்லையா. Next 9 0.009 because 3 zeros are in the denominator, no. Hence we have to put the decimal point before 3 numbers. Now equivalent decimals. What is meant by equivalent decimals, ma? You know, already we have seen in fractions equivalent fractions. The same way equivalent decimals. See here given 5 tens, 50 hundredths, 500 thousands. Tens means what we will do? 5 by 10, that is 0.5. 50 hundredths, 50 by 100. This hundreds will come means you have to put divided by 100. Therefore the same value 0.5 will come here also. 500,000, that is 500 by 1000. The same 0.5. These zeros will get cancelled. Then we are getting the same 5 by 10 here. 5 by 10 means 0.5, 0.5. See children, all the values are 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. In the 10th place, the 0.5 is there. 5 is there. Are you able to identify, children? That is the decimals that have the same value are called equivalent decimals. Here, the zeros adding after the decimal point does not have any value. That is what given here. Putting zeros at the end of the decimal number does not change its value. நம்ம decimal point அப்புறமா லாஸ்ட்ல போடுற அந்த ஜீரோக்கு எந்த வேல்யூஸ்மே கிடையாது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. Next we are going to see about like decimals and unlike decimals. What is meant by like decimals and unlike decimals, children? Decimals with the same number of decimal places are called like decimals. That is நமக்கு இங்க பாருங்க இந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Point க்கு அப்புறம் only one number is there. See here also point க்கு அப்புறம் ஒரே ஒரு number 0.5, 0.8, 0.6. After decimal point only one number is there means the decimals are called like decimals. That is if they are having two decimal places all the way, see second example 0.05, 0.06, sorry 0.67, 0.67 like that they are having means they are called like decimals. See three decimal places 0.045. The value does not mean it is the same or not. After the decimal point how many places are there? See here after the decimal point only one place. After the decimal point 2 places for all the numbers. After the decimal point 3 places for all the numbers. Hence they are called as like decimals. Unlike decimals means see after the decimal point only one number here, here 2 number, here 3 number like that. They have different decimal places means they are called unlike decimals. Same decimal places means they are called like decimals. Is it clear, ma? What is like decimal? What is an unlike decimal? Now we are going to convert an unlike decimals to a like decimals. Then only we can find the value for ascending order, descending order, comparing. All these things will be done in decimals. Only we are by converting unlike decimals to like decimals we can do these things. Here 1.2 and 2.56. See children, the decimal point after decimal point only one decimal place here. Here after decimal point 2 decimal places are there. Here only tenths are there. Here 10th and 100th place are there. Hence they are called unlike decimals. How can we convert them into like decimals? We have to change this 1.2 into a like decimal like 2.56. That is, we have to going to add 0 after this 0.2. That here 1.2 and 1.20 are equivalent decimals. You see children, 1.20 has 2 decimal places. Therefore, this 1.20 and 2.56 are like decimals. To convert an unlike decimal to like decimal, we have to find the equivalent decimals with the same decimal places. So clear ma? Now we are going to the exercise sum. So change into like decimals. 0.9, 9.09. See? 0.8, we are having only one decimal place after this decimal point. This 10th place only it is having. Here 9.09 we are having 2 decimal places after the decimal point. This 10th place and 100th place is there. So to convert this 0.8 to like decimals, we have to add 0 after this. By adding this 0, the value of this 0.8 does not change. Hence 0.80 and 9.09 are like decimals. Like that we can conclude mark here. The same way 23.6 and 8.234. Here 23.6, only 10th place is there. We have to add 100th place and 1000th place. 1000th place. Here see 8.234. After the decimal point, 3 numbers are there. That is 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place. Hence, adding this 0 does not change the value of 23.6. Compare and fill in the box circle with less than, greater than or equal to symbol. See children, which is greater here? 5.555. Here 5.05. First we have to compare the whole number part. The whole number parts are same. Hence we are going to the decimal point. That is, after the decimal point, what are the numbers? See, in the 10th place 5 is here. Here only 0 is there. By this way we can say this number is greater. First we have to check the first place of after the decimal point. Here the same way 34.034, here 34.34. See the whole part is equal for all the two sides. That is 34 here also 34. After the decimal point, here 0 is there, here 3 is there. And this is the greater number. Hence we have to put the lesser than symbol like this. Arrange in descending order. What is meant by descending ma? Greater number to smaller number. We have to write like that. So see ma, 2.2 all are unlike decimals here. First we have to convert the unlike decimals to like decimals. Then only we can compare the numbers which is greater, which is smaller. See, the first number is 2.2. Here, these numbers are having 3 places. After the decimal point, 3 places are there. So we have to write all the numbers after the decimal point 3 places. Here 2.2 is the first number ma. For this we have to add 0 to make it as a like decimals. After adding 0 at the last of the decimal place does not change the value. நம்ம 0 add பண்றதுனால இந்த decimal value change ஆகாது. அதனால நம்ம என்ன சொன்னோம் 2.2 தான் வேல்யூவே. இந்த 00ங்கிறதுக்கு எந்த வேல்யூவும் இதுக்கு இல்ல. This is not 200. This is only 2. The same way here 2.02. This is also we have to convert into like decimals 2.020. We are adding 0 here. The next one 2.022 to 2.002. Which is greater here ma? See the 10th place. All the numbers having 0. Here only it is having 2.2. So 2.2 is the largest number. So I have write first that. And then 2.2nd place. See the second place 2.0. Here 2. Here also 2 is there. But these two numbers having same 2. Then we have to compare the third place. Here 22. Sorry, 2, 2, here 2, 0, which is greater? 2, 2 is greater. Therefore, I have to write this 2.022. Then 2.020. At the last, 2.002. Ascending order. Ascending order means smallest number to greatest number. That is, see ma, first I have converted all the decimals to like decimals. Here they are on unlike decimals. I have converted into like decimals. See 15 I have written as 15.000. These zeros have no values. After the decimal point, if you add zeros at the end of the decimal point, they have no values. Hence I can add the zeros to make it as a like decimal. Next 15.001. Next 14.995. Here 14.99 is given, but we are adding 0 to make it as a like decimal. Then we are going to write the smaller number first. Which one is the smallest number, ma? See here 15 is there for these two numbers, 14 is here for these two numbers. So we have to consider these two 14s. Here also 14.995, 14.990. Which is smaller? 14.990 is the smallest number. Then 14.995. Then we are going to these two numbers. See 15. The whole number parts are same 15, 15. Next 10th place here both are 0. 100th place both are 0. 1000th place means here 1000th place is 1, here 0. So this is the next smallest number 15.000. Next the last one 15.001. In the day, Lata drinks 0.65 liter milk and Aisha drinks 0.7 liter. Who drinks more milk? See first we have to convert the given number into like decimals. So 0.65 here and this number becomes 0.70. By seeing this number itself we can say the 10th place. See children, 10th place, which is the greater number? 0.70 is the greatest one. Therefore, Aisha drinks more milk. We can say like this. By comparing only, we can say who drinks more milk. Aisha drinks more milk. Students, hope you understood the concept. I have attached the classwork PDF also along with this video. Write the classwork neatly, children. Thank you.